Alright, starting off with my MAC paint pot, I always use this as the base for my eyeshadows because this is one of my favorites. It just keeps the eyeshadow on longer throughout the day, and it's always been my favorite base for eyeshadow. We're gonna use this first palette by BH Cosmetics, and it's called Take Me Back to Brazil. Just gonna use this bright yellow shade and use this as the transition shade and for the bright yellow color. Just going to pack this on and also do circular motions with this Morphe brush, and slowly just add on color and keep packing it on. I'm just going to also do exactly the same for the other eye. So using circular motions and packing techniques makes the color look more blended and more bright. And so that's one of my ways how I usually blend my eyeshadow. So just keep doing that. And then I just decided to add this darker yellow to give a little bit more density and color to the yellow just for the outer corner. And before I move on to this next shade that I depotted from the Jacqueline collaboration with Morphe, and I'm just going to use this brush to pack it on and then slowly blend it in circular motions to mix the two shades together. But we don't want to make the yellow disappear though, so just gently do it. And then using this palette by Jeffreestar's Cosmetic, I'm just going to pack on this beautiful glittery shade into this area of my eye. So starting from the inner corner to the middle section. I'm going to use some of this spray just to add a little bit more bright color to it. And I really love this technique. It's just very simple and it's not really like a cut crease because it's like a very settled shine to it. It gives you a little glam. And I'm just going to move on to my next liner, and it's one of my favorites. You guys know I use it all the time. And for this look, I decided not to create a wing because the makeup is really beautiful and I want that to pop out. So I just did a tiny little liner to cover the waterline of my lash line. And for mascara, like always, the Better Than Sex mascara or the L'Oreal one that is like a dupe. And then after that, I'm just going to apply these lashes from Kiss. And I believe these are the ones called Gala. If not, then I'll leave it down in the comments below. And then I'll use the same exact colors to blend underneath my eyelid. And for this shade, I just decided to use it for the inner corner to give some pop. And moving on to my face, I already applied bronzer, but I just wanted to show you guys my favorite highlighter that I always use and the blush I always use, and they're from Physicians Formula. And this just add like a glow and a little blush to it. And then I move on to my lipstick or lip gloss, and this just gave it a little bit more shine, making my entire look a little bit more dewy, and that is perfect for the summer. So then I'm just gonna use the Morphe Mist and also this one by MAC to create a more dewy and glowy look for this look. And so yeah, it's very simple and easy. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again. Bye.